off that way. Okay. So we'll adjust that side when we get to it. So first we're gonna adjust the mid back.
Okay.
Let's see where. Okay. I'm gonna start right in that between the shoulder blades. Okay. So take a nice deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Relax those shoulder blades. Just relax. Good. And then we're gonna a little bit lower, right there. There it is. Perfect. Flexible and smaller. So let this relax. Good. Just gonna bring it towards me. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale all the way up. Let that relax. I figured that was gonna happen. And then we'll go to this side right here. Good.
Oh man,
How did that feel?
that felt so good.